We've basically covered everything we need to know, from the shooting tips, the best accessories, underwater settings, and even how to edit your Insta360 Ace Pro 2 videos. But before you hit that final render button, there's one last step that's just as important: the export settings. Getting your export settings right makes all the difference between a good video and a stunning high-quality final product. Whether you're sharing it on social media, uploading in 4K, or prepping for professional post-production, choosing the right format, bitrate, and resolution is the key to making your underwater footage look as crisp and vibrant as possible. In this final part of our Insta360 Ace Pro 2 underwater tutorial series, we're diving into the best export settings. Let's wrap this up and make sure your footage is export ready for whatever you plan to share it. For the best possible image quality, it is recommended to export videos in 4K resolution, H.265 codec, and a bitrate of 60 Mbps or higher. The mobile application supports H.265 codec with 4K as the highest resolution and 150 Mbps as the maximum bitrate available. If you plan to edit the video further in a third-party editor, exporting at a higher resolution and bitrate is highly recommended to preserve detail and flexibility in post-production. If no additional editing is needed, you can simply select from the available export presets optimized for your chosen social media platform and share the video as is. For professional-grade results, exporting in ProRes or selecting the highest available bitrate in Insta360 Studio helps preserve the fine details and color accuracy, making footage more suitable for advanced editing and post-production. When working with free-frame videos, exporting ProVid files from either the Insta360 mobile app or Insta360 Studio ensures the final video maintains optimal image quality and noise reduction, providing a cleaner and sharper result. It is always recommended to render or export the videos in the highest possible resolution and bitrate to minimize the impact of social media compression on video quality. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook apply automatic compression, which can reduce sharpness, color, accuracy, and overall clarity. By exporting at a higher resolution and bitrate, the footage retains more detail, ensuring that the final uploaded video appears as crisp, vibrant as possible, and better viewing experience. For an even more cinematic and professional look, enabling the Dolby Vision before exporting enhances brightness, contrast, and overall color richness. However, this feature is currently exclusive to iOS devices, as Dolby Vision support is not available on Android. And that's a wrap on our Insta360 Ace Pro 2 underwater tutorial series. From mastering the best shooting settings, picking the right accessories, and capturing stunning underwater shots, to refining your footage with editing and export settings, we've covered everything you need to create high-quality, share-worthy content. Whether you're diving into deep waters or exploring the vibrant reefs, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a powerful tool to bring your underwater adventures to life. Now it's your turn. Get out there, shoot, edit, and share your best moments. If you found this series helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tips and tutorials. See you in the next one. Dive safe and happy creating!